Sometimes a forceful unison or octave statement may be used in the works of composer to emphasize an idea, followed by the change of texture to also emphasize the different emotional quality. Let's listen to the Mozart Eine Kleine first movement that show this issue. Coupling is a very important and crucial discussion of orchestral process. This term describes two instruments playing the same passage at the parallel intervals. Mozart was a master at a sudden arrival of the Alberti type accompaniment figures changes the mood of the predictable settled statement to a light texture.